Let's talk about micro diameters.
We keep in stock collets from 8 thousandths diameter up to 10.1 millimeter.
We have every size available from 0.2 millimeter diameter all the way up to 10.1. Every size from stock. Everything ships within 2 days.
Currently we have two systems, a UM5 system and a UM10 system. Any UM5 collet will go into any of our M5 cartridges, all right? So you don't have to buy a collet. So maybe you have one machine that takes a TF15 collet in there, and another machine that takes a TF16 collet. So in this case, you would have two cartridges, an F15 or an F16 cartridge. But those cartridges take the exact same collet. The collet that we sell is interchangeable between those two cartridges. So you don't have to have a 125 diameter collet for this machine and another one 125 diameter for the other machine. The same collet goes into that machine.
Essentially, when you put a Masa microconic cartridge in your machine, you're putting our standardized spindle nose into your machine, which means any of the collets of that series will fit in that cartridge. And those cartridges fit in many different machines, whether they're TF25, TF20, TF37, 5C. You can reduce your inventory. You don't need to have that collet in TF20 and then you want to move it to another machine, you have to buy the collet in a TF25. With our system, they all use our UM10 collets. Cuts down on your inventory, saves money, also allows you to make last minute decisions if you have to put it from this machine to that machine. And let's say, it's a slightly larger machine, but as long as you have a microconic cartridge for that machine, our collet will fit in there. All the settings will be the same. So not only is the collet interchangeable, but it will set the same way with the micrograd dial. So you can actually adapt that setup very quickly. It's a real time saver and money saver.